Well, hey everyone, my name is Chris, and thanks for stopping by MTG Cards and Reviews. We're going to go ahead and open up 3 more Innistrad Crimson Vow set booster packs here, and see what we've come up with, though. Alright, we'll dive right in here. I'm still looking for, some of those major rewards cards, hits cards, and hopefully we'll find some of them this time. Alright, we've got, that looks like old Soren here. Thalia, nope. That is Thalia, Guardian of Threbane. Okay, well never mind. Not Soren. And we got our mountain there. We've got Wretched Throng, Astwald, Shield Basher. And you got the Shield Basher. Alchemist Retrieval, Cruel Witness, Retrieve, Crawling Infestation, and then we've got the Wolfkin Outcast, Wedding Security. That is, I believe, the showcase version. I think we got our first mythic. What? Oh! Whoa! That is what we were looking for. That is one of our, basically, one of the cards we were looking for. The Wedding Ring. Alright. Now, that basically gives us new life. We got a rare in our next. We got an overcharged Amalgama, and then we've got the Parish Blade Trainee, and we got our yep, token card figures. All right, well, you know what? We're gonna basically make sure to keep that in view, because that is a major hit, though. I mean, that card, now granted, the full art version is much more valuable, but finding that card, though, just in the regular version is still a win. And also, I think we haven't come across too many mythics, though. This is all coming out of the same set booster, though. Box. Okay, looks like we've got the Heroine Blessed Geist. And there is our Swamp full art. Grizzly Ritual, Pointed Discussion, a Vampire's Kiss, the Blood-Crazed Socialite, Fleeting Spirit, Arm the Cathars, Ragged Recluse, Child of the Pack, which she flips over, and she becomes the Savage Pack Mate. Alright, we've got our Voldarian Epicure. What do we got here? We got another mythic. Oh yeah, what do we got? Oh, Toxrill the Corrosive. 2 mythics now. The Wedding Ring and Toxrill the Corrosive. Wow. What are the, we got our Wretched Throng in foil and our Boar token. Okay, last pack, and then I think we are going to call it for another day. Alright, what will we find in this last pack? And then we will clean up, and I'm heading to bed, and then I gotta sort some cards and put all the basically put the stuff away. Alright, so we got our art card here. Wonder Light Spirit. We got a Forest. Prior Spawn. Reckless Impulse. Ancestral Anger. A Reclusive Taxidermist. Screaming Swarm. And then we've got Alluring Suitor. Innocent Traveler. I don't think the Traveler's that innocent. What do you think? Nope. That's a Malicious Invader. We've got Falknorth. Okay, we got the Celebrants here. Blood Crazed Socialite again. And we got a rare now. Ascendant Pack Leader. Yeah, okay. And then we got the Fearful Villager. And we got a, hey! We have a list card. Fearful Villager in foil. What do we got? We got something plating. Cranial plating. That is Time Spiral. Alright. Oh, hey. We'll take it. We will indeed take it, though. After all, we got Toxrill the Corrosive. And we got the Wedding Ring. So, I will call that a win out of those packs. So, I appreciate you guys stopping by. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications though. We will catch you in the next video, and stay safe, enjoy the holidays, and we will see you on the next one. Have a great day, guys.